la la la. Hey, it's Chef Bari here. I'm just getting my vocal cords ready here. We're coming close to Halloween, but I was thinking it's so important to think about Thanksgiving too, especially if you have to debone a turkey. But first, I want to introduce you my mascot. My mascot is Baby Yoda. It was prepared and made specially for me by my daughter Tiandra. So I'll say hi to our new mascot, Baby Yoda. Woohoo! Anyways, this time of year you get pretty down because it's starting to be grayish outside and it's not so nice out. And I'm a sun person for sure. Like I'll enjoy going to Vegas and Cancun and Hawaii when I can. Obviously with the restraints of how the economy is going and how expensive things are becoming, it's almost going to be an impossibility in the future. Anyways, let's get on to my new how-to debone a turkey. Cheers, Chef Bari. Deboning a turkey takes a lot of steps. So the first part is to separate the legs from the cavity, but don't cut it all the way. Just get to the bone and press it down as shown. Then you flip it over and then you start with deboning from the back of the rib cage all the way down each side as shown. Take your time and have patience and try to clean out each side of the bone. Eventually you'll be able to remove the cavity from the breast side, and then you begin with the other side of the cavity. Be patient and go at it slowly. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just carry on. Eventually you'll be able to remove the whole cavity from the turkey. Next you'll be removing the top plate. Soon you'll be able to see the double breast of the turkey, cleaned and ready to go. The next step is to debone the wings. Seeing is believing, and here it takes time to master what you're seeing, to actually do it time and time again before you perfect it. Now it's time to debone the legs. Flip it around so it's closest to you and begin. Remember to take your time. Don't want to cut yourself, so be careful. Be sure to remove all the tiny bones from the legs. Once you're done, inspect the turkey to make sure you haven't left any bones behind. Once that is done, you can put it in a pan with a paper towel, and that way it will keep nice and dry. With it in the fridge, you can now start preparing the stuffing. Congratulations on deboning your first turkey. Join me for part 2 as we begin preparing the stuffing and rolling the turkey, transforming it into the turkey roll that you can see here. September is National Suicide Prevention Month. Even though it's in September, it goes all year. It goes in October, November, and December is a really bad time of the year too, when everybody seems so alone and far apart. Cheers, Chef Bari.